We've gone from raw data to polished answers. Now, I'm really excited to see what's in store for the advanced stuff. Okay, we've built our RAG agent, fine-tuned it. Now it's time for the really cool stuff, the advanced features.
This is where it gets really interesting. We're talking about pushing the limits of what's possible.
All right, let's hear it. What's first on the list?
Multilingual design. Imagine your RAG agent can understand and respond in any language.
Wow, that's breaking down some serious barriers. But I bet it's not easy.
It's definitely challenging. It's not just translating words, you know. It's about understanding the nuances of different languages, the cultural context.
So how do we even approach that?
Well, one way is to use language-specific embeddings and indexes. These models are trained on massive amounts of data in a specific language, so they can capture all those unique features.
It's like having a dictionary and grammar guide for each language.
Exactly. And then there's cross-lingual transfer learning. That's where we use what the AI has learned in one language to help it understand another.
So it's learning the underlying patterns of language itself. Fascinating. Okay, what else is there in this advanced toolkit?
Performance engineering. User experience. We can't have our AI being slow and clunky, right?
Nobody likes waiting. Speed is key.
Absolutely. One way to boost performance is caching. We store frequently used data in a readily accessible place, so the AI doesn't have to search through everything every time.
Like a shortcut.
Right. And load balancing. We distribute requests across multiple servers, so there are no bottlenecks, even when things get busy.
Keeps everything running smoothly.
Exactly. And for the user experience, there are streaming APIs. The AI starts generating responses in real time, so it feels like a natural conversation.
Instead of waiting for it to think for ages before responding.
Exactly. And things like query suggestions, auto-completion, those make it easier for users to find what they need.
Very user-friendly. Okay, what about making sure this thing actually works?
Testing. Robust testing and evaluation. We put the RAG agent through its paces, make sure it can handle anything.
Like a boot camp for AI.
That's a good way to put it. Automated testing frameworks are a lifesaver. We can run all sorts of tests, cover different scenarios.
That can catch any weaknesses.
Exactly. We also track key metrics, completeness, response time, consistency, make sure it's performing well.
Like a report card for the AI.
And we even try to trick it with adversarial testing. Give it misleading queries, see how it handles the pressure.
So it can learn to deal with unexpected situations. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the big picture.
Responsible AI. This is huge. It's about making sure our RAG agents are not just powerful, but ethical, fair.
So that they're used for good.
Right. We need to watch out for bias in the training data, make sure the AI treats everyone fairly.
We don't want to perpetuate harmful stereotypes.
Exactly. Transparency is also key. Users should understand how the AI works, what data it's using.
Builds trust.
And privacy. Protecting user data is absolutely paramount.
It's a big responsibility.
It is. So we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive. From the basics to the cutting-edge advancements, RAG agents have incredible potential.
They really do. It's been an amazing journey exploring this technology with you. Any final words of wisdom for our listeners?
Building a RAG agent is a complex journey, but it's also incredibly rewarding. If you carefully consider these key decisions, you can create something truly powerful and impactful.
Something that can change the way we interact with information for the better. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.